All right, guys, I always listen to your customers, listen to what they're saying that's going on with their appliance. I know a lot of times we get the big head and we want to say, oh, we know what's going on, this, that, and the third. But I just ran through and had a customer that had said that the dishes weren't getting clean. They had to run the cycle 2-3 times. And I said, okay, cool. So I drew out all my schematics. Well, actually, I traced out my schematics, came equipped with my diagnostic mode. You want to talk to the machine, talk in the machine's language. And I did all that. I got over there, put it in service mode, well, test mode. Put it in test mode. Water fills up. Dispenser door on this Frigidaire opens first. So dispenser door drop, boop. Then water fills up, then cycle comes on with the heat. Then step number 4 is 1 second it pass over to 5 with washing. I'm hearing the wash and go. Then I might have that out of order by 1 step. Heard the wash and go because the pause is in between that first wash. Pause, next wash. Go through all the steps, the drain, and then the heat. And okay, everything seemed to be going good. I opened the door a couple times, checked to see. And I noticed that the top, so it's 3 of them. One on the bottom that spin, the one in the middle, and then they had one on the top. I couldn't really tell about that middle one by the time I opened the door. But I could tell that top one really wasn't moving that well. Because I opened the door 2 or 3 times just trying to check it. But I know that bottom one was going. And I looked up top, there was some water, but it didn't seem like it was really getting there. So I was like, all right, cool. Even though everything seemed to be going right, but in my mind, okay, yeah, let me check this top one. So I pull everything out. I pull out the little plastic line on the back that goes to it. I don't know the name of it. Pull it all out and take out the stainless steel screws. When I got down there, it was some white mop looking thread stuck down off in there. So I pull that out, show the customer. Customer's actually really cool. He's a pilot for the Air Force, and he teaches classes. So he rents his house out to actual people that he trains. Charges him $89 a night per, and he got 5 bedrooms, so you can do the math on that, making it killing. But anyway, show the customer, and he's like, all right. I said, I'm gonna put it back in test mode. After I put everything back in and together, and we're gonna check it. Man, night and day difference, baby. You can hear it hitting harder. And that soap was all over them dishes this time. So you're like, oh yeah. Yes sir, man. So just listen to your customers. Sometimes, I know a lot of times they just try to tell you facts that are facts according to them, and not facts according to anything else. But if I just would have went in there with the mindset that I already knew was wrong, or he didn't know what he was talking about, and I ran it through the test cycle and everything showed to be good, there were no error codes or nothing, I would have left and he would have had that same problem. Might even would have got a recall saying, man, it's still doing the same thing. But I listened to the customer. I took what he said, kind of peeped some other little things off in there. And when I did notice while he was gone, he wasn't one of those customers that was right over me. He was gone. I had to go find him. But his rinse aid light was on. So as I drove off, I texted him and said, hey, I also put some rinse aid off in there, your light's on. He was like, man, thank you for everything. I really appreciate it. Good deal, man. Good conversation, good people. Oh, man. I ain't gonna make a little bread out there. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go pick up my son, go get a haircut. And I'll be back on the road again on Sunday morning, dog. This is just how we get down. This is the life. If If you ain't with it, let me go and get them calls up out for you. Let me get them calls out for you, man. Nah, it ain't no charge on Saturday. Nah, it ain't no extra charge on Sunday. Nah, it ain't no extra charge for me to come at 7:30 at night. I got you. We gonna get that bag, man.